How's it going? Welcome to another video. I'm very excited because I finally found something that I think everyone's going to like. It's called Freedom and 365 Movement. It's pretty much a program that's literally geared to helping you become financially free, retire from your job, and become in business. It's bigger than just a platform I'm going to talk about. It's a whole mindset, etc. But the reason why I'm very excited is because the price point. I know how it is when people step out on a limb and get started with something that they really necessarily might not be able to really afford. What happens is they get involved in these programs and they're so anxious to make money, they don't have time to really check out the products or services that comes with the platform because they're just so busy trying to make the money back. With this price point, which is, you can get started in this program for less than a large pizza costs, and think about that, less than a large pizza costs, and get going is going to change the game for me. The products in here, they have extra products that you can purchase, but when I further explain it, you will understand more what I'm going to say. But at each, level you come in at, you're going to get a list and set of products. So for example, if you come in for $10, which is the lowest, level you can come in at is $10, very inexpensive, one time. I'm gonna show you some of the things you're gonna get. You're gonna get a DIY credit repair education set of modules. And I mean, let's click one. It's literally gonna break it down. Like I personally have another credit business that's a little more expensive, but this gives a lot of what they give despite a few little things. But this for $10, this alone is worth $10 one time, maybe even more, because a lot of people know nothing at all about credit. And then you have more, personal development, more understanding, the mindset of being in business, and more so that. So that's the focus of the $10, what you're going to get for $10. And you're going to get some other tools, etc. But as far as products, you're going to get a credit repair um, set of modules, which is like a digital product to show you really how to fix your credit on your own. And so let's go straight into actually, how to get started so everything will make more sense. And when you log in, you're going to see this, guys. Make sure you go through all these steps. I don't really have to explain how to maneuver here because this is going to do everything, even how to join. It's going to show you every single thing. And make sure you come up here, click profile, and fill out your profile. You don't have to put your address if you don't want to. You don't even have to put your number if you don't want to. They do have notifications, so you can come in here and turn those notifications on, just to receive them through email or whatever. But know that information on your profile, anything that you don't really want to put, you do not have to put. But make sure you keep scrolling down because it's going to have how you're going to get paid. So you can get paid through PayPal, Stripe, Cash App. And for Cash App, you're going to have to put it in the manual settings. But like I said, the trainer is going to show you how to do that. Plus, you're going to have to be in contact with me, so we're going to get you going. That takes no time. So let's go straight to the Freedom Cycler, which is number 2. I am not I don't have a lot of these type of programs. This is Matrix. This is like a cycler type thing. There's 50-50 on what people will say about these type of programs, but when I further explain this, you're going to understand this is not like one of those weird, you don't get your money type of things. This actually makes sense, and it's very simple as well. So as you see, here are the starter process. This is not one of those things where you give me 10, I get you 40. No, you have to actually bring people in and actually recruit people that, like, they want the instant savings club, they want the DIY credit repair. This is not just a get rich quick type of thing. But here's the levels. You have $10, $25, $50, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,500. The great thing, before I show you the matrix, the great thing about this is, say you come in at $10 and you start recruiting and bringing people in. This board, it's in the shape of a matrix. A board is going to pay you out $40. So say, for example, you say, hey, I want to have a more chance at earning more income. So you'll take some of the profits you already have and invest it into the next board. You will never have to come out of pocket again, or you can just stay at this board, and to activate the board again, it'll just be another $10. So you'll take $10 out of your earning and put it back into your board. Okay, so to break it down even more, so you're going to see this, and the trainer is going to show you how to get to this point. Make sure you watch all these videos all the way through. Write down, if you're more of a visual learner, write it down. So for example, for someone coming at $10, this is, you're going to click whichever one you want to come in. You can do multiple at a time as well. So let's just flip this matrix, and I just got started last night, so everything's fresh, clean slate. So check this out. How this thing works is, it's a 2 pass up system. And many of you probably are confused, but when you get into this industry, you will understand these compensation plans. It's a 2 pass up system. So what is going to happen is, when I start bringing people into the program, my first 2 people are going to go to my sponsor. That's a 2 pass up system. And the next 4 I bring in are all mine. So if we're on a $10 board, that's 10, 20, 30, 40 bucks I made. So $10 a referral I made. For referring people to this DIY credit repair, they have much more services, and we'll get into that as well. But to refer people to this program, after my first 2 pass ups, that's just part of the compensation plans. Different compensation plans have different things. Some companies only give you 10% of the sale. It's just how the company, gets money going. But the first 2 are passed up to my sponsor. The next 4 go to me. So say, for example, I bring you and another person in. You guys fall right here. Now, I could just help you guys get 2 people, and I'll make my money that way by just focusing on you. Or I can bring in all these people myself. What's going to benefit for you in this case, do not bid on this easy thing that I'm going to show you. But what's going to happen is, I'm kind of glad it does work like this, because say, I've been in this industry for a while. I'm a go-getter. So you're like, man, I got to find 6 people. I got to find, pretty much 6 people, because I got to find these 2 that are going to, pass up to me. And then I got to find 4 so I can profit. So say I'm a heavy go-getter and I bring in all 6 myself. Now, your first person you bring in is going to be all profit, because I already filled the matrix where you would have passed up to me. I just took the initiative and brought them all in myself. The initiative is so you can work as a group, as a team. So for example, if you guys brought in the 2 that I profit off of that pass up to me, it's less work. So versus if you bring in some people and you help them get there too, it's less work you have to do. But I'm a go-getter, and I like the fact that I can help you guys as well. So hopefully that was as simple. It's really as simple as that. Worst case scenario, I have to bring in 6 people, which is not hard at a $10. It's only $10 to get started. Everyone has $10. People spend that at, on snacks. So it's really not hard. Or I can help you guys get 2, and I only bring 2 people in. So that's how the matrix works in itself. So when you're bringing people in the company, this is how the payment works, and you get paid these instantly. It's not I gotta fill I gotta fill all these spots and then I finally get paid. No, you get these first 2, they pass up. This is $10. It's gonna go wherever you want it to go. Cash App, PayPal, it's gonna go instantly. It's member to member. It does you guys don't pay the company, you pay member to member. So you get your first person in, where you get paid at, that's $10 to you. You get your next person, that's $10 to you right away. That's $10 to you. That's $40 to you. So when this thing is all filled, you're gonna either upgrade and go to the next board, reactivate this board, which is $10, or do both. It's up to you. The goal is, obviously to max out your income potential and upgrade all boards, so you have money coming in from everywhere. Because when people come into this one program, they're gonna pick where they want to go, or how many income places they want to go. So someone comes in and say, hey, I want to do them all. That's one person that you possibly can miss out on if you're not, active in the long run. But yeah, so let's come back here. Okay. I actually have a screenshot But let's come back to training. So I actually have a screenshot that shows exactly what is unlocked at what. But if you just scroll through products and services, every level comes with a a different training. So as you scroll down, as you level up, you can see what's gonna come in each. And just scroll down because some of these are actually already unlocked. So this is like this, for example, just showing you how to maneuver through the actual website. But if you scroll down, you'll start seeing different things you'll unlock. So like I said, you're not just paying money to make money. You're paying money and unlocking digital products. And these are some good digital products. As you see, this is a 397 value. Of course, this is the code, the Forex code for people who want to do. That's why I said this is really bigger than just recruiting, affiliate marketing, making money. This is actually investing properties that's going to help you, credit property that's going to help you outside of this, and to really upgrade and create financial freedom. Selling made simple, selling a product, exiting the matrix. And the matrix, the matrix is the whole idea of what they want us to believe in the world, and thinking outside the box, how to create products, another Forex, being the CEO, real estate profits. And I've actually heard someone actually went through this course and learned how to, buy their own home without having much money to put down. Drop shipping, that's selling products for a higher price point, and showing how to get them into stores. It's deep. I don't want to, confuse you guys, but I'm just showing you some of the products you get. And going through this company, even going through some of the scripts, like for example, a script is, what to say on Facebook to get people to the company. Even going through the scripts are very updated. Like the scripts aren't just some watered down, BS. The scripts are something that I'm like, man, this is gonna work. Facebook ads training, Success Mastery. These guys that created this is for the price point this is and how it's set up. These guys are giving the real deal, man. And it's just I'm very glad to promote something like this. I'm glad I found it when I found it. And these are some of the products. And like I said, this is a $500 value. So a person, they actually do sell this individually. A person can sell, like, if you have knowledge that people need, you can sell it for whatever you think it's worth. That's why, where's that product at? That product creation right here, mastery. If you have some type of skill set and you want to box it and share it, you can sell it for whatever you think it's worth. People do it with books, uh, seminars. You guys just want to know these things, and that's all I'm saying. You want to know and understand. You have to have information. A lot of us didn't have the right information. If we would have had this information early, things would have been different. So you want to start getting into. That's why I got into affiliate marketing, because it's a way to make a lot of money without, having to do a lot of hard work and years in school. Learning this information is going to allow me to get where the top people are, how to get nice vehicles, nice homes without thinking I have to work super hard to get the money, and learning how to leverage credit. This whole system and program is powerful. And to come back to the cycler, I like it like this because it makes people feel a little more calm. I notice why people like matrices so much more, because you can work as a team and build, group economics. You can work on group economics and really help each other, get to that next level, man. And it's just so much more simple, and with a low price point at $10, and you will never really have to come out of pocket again all the way to the $2,500 level, and all you did was start for $10. It's crazy. You see people are still joining at the bottom. Some people are even upgrading to the month. There's a monthly membership with a little more perks to it. They're upgrading to that. As you see, and it still goes on. That was a day ago. But yes, this is just a general video I wanted to make for you guys, so you really understand what's going on and really understand what you're doing. You got to realize, you might say you don't know. I'm pretty sure with this price point, someone who has at least $10. But you got to realize there's so much social media. You guys got to learn how to use social media to their advantage. There's a lot of people on social media making thousands and millions promoting a product or service. Social media is not just for gossip, drama, venting, it's for business as well. And you got to use these free platforms and learn them. Understand tag. When you're tagging, you can tag to reach more people. When you're on YouTube, you can make free YouTube videos and rank them for certain keywords. How to make money online. That's a keyword to get people to see your opportunity. You don't have to just worry about knowing people. You need these skills, and I'm telling you, you will go far. And that's why I'm adding this to my portfolio. I'll say just get in now. We never know what's gonna happen. We don't know what's gonna happen 2 months from now. We don't know if what could happen. So I would say just get in now and start earning and working towards that financial freedom so you have a B plan. But thanks for visiting this video. I hope this helped you out. This is the Freedom in 365 movement. And I really believe in this. I hope you believe in what I showed you. And let's get going.